So, good morning, Honorable Present here, the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and course name 23 ITO 201 Software Testing Open Elective, third year, sixth semester, unit number 3, level of testing. Topic name is acceptance testing and performance testing. So, before we have already seen two topics. One is a unit test, another one is integration. So unit is an individual component, and integration module can be integrate with one module to other module. We go for next one, acceptance or performance testing in the next level. Shall we move? So this is a empathy in choose the appropriate testing phase for software quality assurance. So you can choose one acceptance or performance. So acceptance testing means you can choose a validate business requirement and user needs, and performance testing evaluate the system speed and stability and scalability of the particular software product in the software assurance checking in the sectors. So this is acceptance testing process. So first thing is based on systems testing. The second is deployment. Third one acceptance testing. Fourth one is verify business requirement. Fifth one validates user experience, and fifth one perform black box testing and use use test scenario, and apply the acceptance criteria. The first thing, once I receive the component and after verifications, conduct the before accept testing. Second, software is released to user. For example, accepted to customer, the final validation by stakeholder. After that, they ensure the software meets business needs, whether it is okay or not. And third thing, confirm the software is user friendly based on your stakeholder and customer sites, and test software without internal knowledge and based on particular sectors, and employ a predefined test scenario, and evaluate the software against criteria test case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is acceptance testing in the sectors. Mixed performance testing based on first thing, identify the performance goals, define desired system perform metrics. Second, design test scenario, create the realistic workload simulation, basic thing that particular area, and execute test, run the test to gather the performance data based on the particular area. And second thing, analyze the results, evaluate the test data to identify bottle of the neck based on your optimized system to implement changes is any required in future continuous improvement based on improve performance based on your stakeholder feedbacks. So this is a acceptance testing and versus performance testing uh, differentiates. The primary goal, very business and user requirement, is evaluate speed and stability and scalability. Focus business process here, technical metrics, and performed by end user, performed by QA. And type of testing, primarily functional block box testing and non-functional testing. And timing, final phase before deployment, and through the SDLC after functional testing before releases. And environmental production, like environmental test environment simulation product based on that particular things. So this is a type of acceptance testing. The first one is user accept testing. Second, business accept testing. Third, contract acceptance testing. Fourth one, regulation of acceptance testing. Fifth one, operational acceptance testing. And sixth one, alpha testing and beta testing. This is a very few accept. For example, I am going to implement, or after completion of testers, I'm going to implement my software particular stakeholder place. First, once I check the all requirements, including software and hardware requirements are properly available or not. If available, you can execute in your area. Otherwise, you can rearrange it, and after that, accepted your customers and stakeholders. So this is a testing process based on area. The first one is defect detections and quality assessment and customer needs of alignment and feedback and issue minimization based on that particular area. So this is a condition of acceptance testing. The identify error missed in functional testing and evaluating the overall development quality based on the thing and ensure the product meets user expectation and user feedback to enhance performance and reducing product problem. So once I have received the product, sort of product, once I verify based on give a input and output. If you accept, okay, you can implement and stakeholder side or user side. If you not accept, if any small mistakes or bugs are identified means I fix the bugs and send the explanation from particular developer side. The developer side the proper explanation giving to me. After that, I release my bugs and particular way of amounts. So this is a balancing acceptance testing benefit and drawbacks. And first thing based on advantage of acceptance testing, disadvantages of acceptance testing. Advantage based on your direct user requirement and automated test execution, client confidence and satisfaction, and easier requirement descriptions. Here, user participation issue, development team absence, feedback delay, and defer user opinion. For example, one of the uh, you will take one of the supermarket. Suppose I search the soaps and particular soaps is not available. So I inform to the particular storekeeper or manager. The manager can buy it and store keep it on particular rack, and the customer can come and collect the soaps and easiest one because of each and every process based on your feedback about your customer side or stakeholder side after can be improve the continuous improvement from the stakeholders. This is a comprehensive performance testing based on the particular area. One is the system speed and responsiveness and stability and scalability and bottleneck identification and user traffic process. Speed measure how quickly the application responds. An example, you take WhatsApp. You can open it and then verify how quickly you respond to your applications. One of the example, WhatsApp. Um, WhatsApp, Instagram, and LinkedIn. These are some of the apps. These are available. One of the example. And responsiveness based on assess how well the application react to the user input, ensure the application is remaining operational under the stress, evaluate the applications ability to handle the increasing user loads and bottleneck identification based on that one. User traffic handling, verify the application efficiently with multiple users. So this is a type of performance testing. One is load testing, second scalability testing, third volume testing, fourth endurance testing, fifth shocking testing, and sixth spike testing, and stress testing is the last one. So this is a analyze unveil a multifaceted benefit of performance testing. One is identification bottleneck, evaluate speed and stability, scalability, ensure user and transaction handling, improve the reliability, and optimize your market release in your products. This is a performance test process. Process first, identify the test environmental. Second, determine the performance criteria and plan and design and config test environmental and implement test designs and run the test and analyze the test and after completion your process. This is performance testing pros and cons. Pros based on bottleneck identification, scalability improvement, reliability enhancements, risk reductions, and cost effectiveness. Cons per resource intensive, complex design, and limited coverages in aggregate results and simulation challenges. One of the example, you will take Gamma AI. You have give some you have prepared only 10 PPTs. More than 10 PPT, you can give a limitation, limited power is over means you can You can pay and after again start your process. So this is a MCQ, sorry, activity. Accept testing, validate software with the user requirement. One of the college library management system. We have a group one, group two. This is a first one divide student into two groups, and the developer explain the system failures, features. Third one user system based on requirement and user verify the system satisfy the needs. For example, step one user action expert results. Search the book detail, books detail displayed. Borrow books, books issued successfully. Return books, a book returned successfully. Check the availability, correct status display. Suppose I'm a faculty, I'm going to enter the library. First, I give my username password. I enter the valid ID card after I enter into my process. After I search the book, after identify racks and get the book and given to librarian. The librarian enter to the system. After given to me, I put the signature and get back myself and going with myself and come to my place and refer it and return back. And the return book is successfully and correct status is displays whether the book is available or not. This is the activity of process. So this is my MCQ. What is the main purpose of accept testing? To test the incremental code program to verify whether the system meets requirements, and test the individual models. Test the system model to verify whether the system meets your requirements. Acceptance testing is usually performed by based on developer side, tester, end user and client, programmer, end user and clients. This is mind map. If suppose you forgot anything, particular topic means is mind map is available. What is acceptance testing? Purpose, types, advantage, disadvantages. Other performance testing, purpose, types, metrics, and user. Easily understand. You can write your exam point of view. You properly in completed. So this is my textbooks. This is thank.